This GiPP Nonstick frying pan skillet is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a 9.5-inch white granite surface. This pan makes cooking easy and cleanup a breeze. The non-stick coating ensures food slides right off. You won't have to worry about stubborn stuck-on bits. This GiPP Nonstick frying pan skillet is also PFOA-free. It gives you peace of mind about what you're cooking with. The GiPP Nonstick frying pan skillet works well on all stovetops. It is compatible with gas, electric, and induction. This makes it a versatile investment for any home chef. Imagine flipping omelettes like an art form. The even heat distribution helps with cookability. You will notice your ingredients cook uniformly. There's no need to worry about hot spots burning your food. This pan can handle delicate eggs and hearty stir-fries alike. This pan is not just about function. It's about ease. Cleaning is so simple. A quick wipe with a soapy sponge is often enough. You save time and effort after every meal. While a lid is not included, the 9.5-inch size is perfect for many dishes. You can find many delicious recipes in cookbooks or apps. Though this product may not ship directly to Australia, its quality is worth noting. Make the GiPP Nonstick frying pan skillet a staple in your kitchen lists. Pros: healthy cooking, less oil needed, all stovetops, heats quickly, heats evenly, comfortable. Handle: PFOA-free, stylish design, durable build. Cons: handle might not be sturdy, limited usage. Feedback: hand washing recommended, small size for families, not for heavy-duty use. Durability over time. Unknown features: non-stick surface, 9.5-inch size, white granite look, good for omelettes, healthy cooking. Stone material, works on all stoves, PFOA-free, frying pan type, skillet shape. This GiPP frying pan is a 9.5-inch skillet with a white granite-looking non-stick surface. It's good for making omelettes and other foods in a healthy way because it's made of stone material and doesn't have PFOA. This frying pan can be used on all kinds of stoves. It has a non-stick surface and a skillet shape, making it easy to cook without food sticking. The GiPP Nonstick frying pan skillet is a 9.5-inch white granite pan designed for healthy cooking. With less oil, it works on all kinds of stovetops and heats up quickly and evenly. The pan has a comfortable handle and a stylish look, and it's made without PFOA. However, the handle might not be very strong, and there isn't much feedback from people who have used it. It's best to wash it by hand, and its small size might not be ideal for big families or heavy-duty cooking. And how long it lasts isn't well known.